Welcome to DAISI, Driving Assistance Interface for Simulated Interventions. Using socket communication, this simulated driving assistance system allows for driving simulations where an interaction between a driving assistance algorithm and a driver is possible with various degrees of assistance. Using transactions, the system allows data gathered during simulations to be quickly and correctly stored. This data can then be used for future analysis of performed driving behavior and responses of the algorithm used. This is the researcher menu. Here you can select what the user or AI can control of the car, the intervention type, and the type of indicators. A maximum time and the identifier for a run can also be set here. Also, you can select an AI you made with our library in either Python or C++. When you have selected an AI, it shows an indication of the speed of the selected AI. There is a selection of 22 different tracks, specifically made for different research questions. These settings give a great adaptability to your research. The developer screen allows you to change the mode of the AI, change the thresholds for the interventions, and create recordings for integration tests, which can be replayed visually as well. The data selection menu lets you choose the data that is stored on the database, that you can connect to here as well. It also allows for different compression settings in the advanced settings menu. After this configuration, you can start the experiment. The interventions the AI can take are split between two types of icons, steering and speed. Steering is something an AI can do when it's noticed the car is going outside the right path, to which the car adjusts direction. For speed, the AI makes sure the car isn't going too fast or too slow but keeps in check with the speed limit. There are 4 states the icons can be in: grayed out or crossed out. This indicates that the AI isn't intervening with actions of the player. Orange with an exclamation point. This icon is used only to signal a warning to the player that they should take action to prevent a collision. Handshake. The handshake icon is used to show shared control. Here the player and the AI are working together. Complete takeover and autonomous AI. This icon shows the player that the AI is either autonomous driving or took complete control over the car. The steering and speed icons are given their own shape to be sure that they stand out as separate icons to the player. After an experiment, you can save your data and import it into an analysis tool like dbeaver.